2008 Honda Accord V6. This is what it sounds like before. Got a nice tone to it, but it's too quiet. Here's sound decibels on it. Right at 98. So what we're doing, boys, zoom pipes or boom pipes, whatever you guys want to call them. It's going to stick out like that, guys. So stay tuned. 2008 Honda Accord, 4-door, lowered. Usually it's like not even an inch off the ground. I made him raise it. So we're able to get it on the lift. So he raised it a little bit. He didn't raise the back. That's how he usually looks. You see on the back, guys, how low it is? It's got a really nice stance to it. Let me show you what we did on it, guys. Well, good old Snooters trying to bend some pipe. Anyways, converter there. Factory converter there. We did a resonator delete. That was right here. Usually it's here, but the pipe was all messed up here. He had a cutout and it was dragging on the ground and all that. So we took it all off, cleaned it up for him, put him 2 new hangers. Then another baby resonator goes here. We took it off also and put a pipe in its place. Then we did also a muffler delete there and there, as you guys can see. And then we put tips, 3.5 inch by 18 angle cut stainless steel tips out the back. He wanted them to stick out. We said, we got you. So we hooked them up. That looks good. I like it. So there's all the stuff we cut off. There's the 2 mufflers. There's the resonator. There's the mid pipe. And that's the cutout that was on it. And there's the other miniature resonator that was on it. Took a lot of weight off of it. So we're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. 2009 Honda Accord Coupe V6. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So we took that contraption out because it's very, very restrictive, as you guys can see from this side, this section. And there's the cat on it. Took it out. And he brought his own Rev 6. They call it J-pipe. So we installed the J-pipe for him. And then we had to replace the cat. So we put a high flow cat in its place there. Then also he didn't want not a lot of raspiness, so we put him a vibrant resonator right there, part number 1794. And vibrant, if you're watching, make this part number a lot bigger. Put it back over here, please, because it makes it really hard on us to try to find it as installers. And you know you guys love your installers, so we're all about vibrant. So make sure you do that. High flow cat, vibrant resonator, and then it's a 3-inch pipe all the way back to the back, and then a 4-inch Natami tip, single exit. He didn't want the dual exit. He wanted a single exit. So we hooked him up 3-inch all the way back. He's going to turbo it out, hopefully, and make it boost and all that good stuff. All right. So there's everything that we cut off, the resonator, the mid pipe, or the Y pipe in the back, all that. And I showed you guys the mid pipe earlier. Let me see if I can find the part number on the Rev 9. Here's a part number on the J pipe for the Rev 6 right here. There'll be a link in the description for it also. Okay, Rev 6 Performance. That's their name. And there it is. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. What do you think? Loud enough? You don't believe it. It's getting louder, too. That's not bad. We gotta change out the third cat to a high flow. It'll make it louder. Yeah. Sound decibels. 111. It has a nice stance when it's all the way on the ground, you know?
Yeah. I'm going to go home, I'm going to lower it for
Yeah, you're going to lower it back up. See the stance, guys. See how low? And he raised it to an inch, you think? Yeah. There you go. It still does have a nice stance to it, though. When he brought brought it to us yesterday. I said we couldn't lift it because it was not even an inch off the ground. It was literally scraping. So I told him, bring it back when you raise it up. So it's got adjustables on it. What you hear on the inside? That's clean. You want to be on camera or no?
Yeah.
What do you think? Rev it? Let's see his reaction. First rev. Wow. Do you approve?
Hell yeah.
Do we know what we're doing?
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
This is just 3,000 RPM, by the way. Again? Yeah, it sounds good. It's clean. One more. Your sound decibels, go ahead. 114. Yeah, see, I told you it's loud. Look, there goes my watch. One more. That's freaking insane, man. What'd you do? That's what you wanted. We gave you what you wanted. Go ahead and back it up, bro. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Come and see us. That's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. What do you tell them? They subscribe.
Like, sub, and subscribe if you want stuff like this, you know?
Exactly. Exactly. He still doesn't believe it. That's what we do, guys. We put smiles every day on people's faces. Love it. Go ahead. Wow. It's loud. It sounds clean. It's deep because of the 3-inch. Do it again. Good looking Honda. Amazing, just a little bit of a body kit to lower it. Makes it look so clean. I like it. Here we go. Honda Accord V6 6-speed manual with a Rev 6 J-pipe, 3-inch high flow cat, 3-inch full system, custom built by us, and a vibrant resonator to tame it a little bit. Just wait till you hear it. Here we go. Drop the clutch. That's clean. That's one of the cleanest Honda Civics Accords I've heard. It's deep, it's nice, clean tone. It definitely needs that 3-inch system. I'm impressed. And then there's that Mustang that went by after the school bus. Enjoy, guys. He's gonna do a drive-by now. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here he comes. You can hear it, look. That sounds so clean. That's how far away it is, you can still hear it.